Hello, my name is Hannah Myers, and in this video I will be showing you how property rights are affecting the daily lives of citizens of Dawsonville, Georgia. Recently in Dawson County, there has been a substantial increase in development and growth. This growth is affecting residents' daily lives. For example, Brett Linton lives in Country Crossings neighborhood on parcel 106-120. He recently found out that the parcel directly behind his house, parcel number 106-054, is under contract and being sold to residential developers. There are several problems with this pending sale. First, unless parcel number 106-056 is also sold to the developers, parcel 106-054 will be landlocked. If the parcel is landlocked, the developers will likely seek to purchase a right-of-way easement that connects to Huckleberry Ford within the Country Crossings neighborhood. Right-of-way easements are the right to use another's land for ingress and egress. If the developer did connect property to Huckleberry Ford, this would result in an increase in traffic in the neighborhood. This is parcel 106-056, located on Dawson Forest Road. Developers would need to purchase this parcel to avoid seeking a right-of-way easement that connects to Huckleberry Ford within Country Crossings neighborhood.
And I moved here 18 years ago. The road that goes to our pool is called Huckleberry Ford, and the developer had just built the clubhouse, and the road to the pool was designed so that it went down a pathway between in the middle of a section of property owned by the association, so that there was enough footage after the right-of-way owned by the county that nobody could ever take a road through that property line to get to this property that was behind our subdivision. About 7 years into moving in here, Ryman Homes attempted to buy that 100-acre peak parcel of property, and we all went as a subdivision to the commissioners meeting to say, you know, that's fine, but we don't want a community that is apartments, condos, and houses in our backyard. And our developer assured us that they could not access their backside of that 100 acres back part. The property, our properties and our neighborhood roads, one of them, the main road is a county road, are protected because the developer was intelligent enough, or savvy enough is a better word to say, to put the road in the center of that parcel owned by the community so that nothing could access that. On March 29th, I happened to be home sitting out on the back porch, and a man came and painted a white arrow pointing to my house. And I was like, what is this? And so I went down and I spoke to the man, and he said that the property had been bought, and he said that the white mark was a mark for the drones to go and survey the property. Another thing that's interesting is when the pipeline came, when Etowah Water put the pipeline through to get to the outlet mall, the Native Georgia Plant Society came and went back through those woods and collected as much trillium, wild ginseng, May-apples, wild azaleas out of the woods as they possibly could find to plant in safe areas where no development would occur to protect the native Georgia plants.
These photos show the potential path of a paved road from Huckleberry Ford if the developers were able to purchase an easement from the Country Crossings Homeowners Association. The path is predetermined by the water access connections already present on the property. The developers will face issues that require the property to be rezoned, as it is currently zoned as agricultural. They will also have to submit a proposal to the Dawson County Board of Commissioners to ensure their plans for either a retirement community or apartments fit within the county's comprehensive plan. Currently, the recommended residential density for this area sets a maximum of 6 units per acre. The developers will also have to ensure that there is a 50-foot buffer on both sides of the river, per federal Environmental Protection Agency requirements. When I interviewed Brett Linton about the pending sale, he showed me that this is how close a potential apartment or retirement community building could be to his house.
So we've been thinking of selling our place for probably like a year because we want something with more land. But when we found that was the property behind us was for sale, then we thought, well, we need to get on with this move situation quicker rather than later. So I looked on Zillow and found that rather than being for sale like it was for the past however many years, it was now pending. So my mother-in-law is a commercial appraiser, and so we had her look into it, and she said, yeah, it's pending. It's supposed to close in, I think, July.
As a result, it is unclear what the future holds for the residents of Country Crossings neighborhood, but residents like Lauren and Brett are hoping that the Homeowners Association can fight any potential legal battles that may arise from this new development.